Understanding, from my standpoint, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase, from my standpoint. Understanding this phrase is key to mastering nuanced English communication. So, let's get started and explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you incorporate it into your daily conversations. From my standpoint, is a phrase that expresses a person's perspective, opinion, or position on a particular matter. It's similar to saying, from my point of view, or, in my opinion. This phrase highlights that the speaker is about to share a thought or belief that is personal and possibly subjective, based on their own experiences, beliefs, or information available to them. Using "from my standpoint" is important for several reasons. It clarifies that what follows is an opinion or a personal view, which can foster more open and respectful conversations. It signals to the listener that the speaker acknowledges the subjectivity of their statement. It can be used in both formal and informal contexts, making it a versatile addition to your English vocabulary. Here's how you can use it. 1. Introducing an opinion. Before stating your opinion, begin with, from my standpoint, to make it clear that you are about to share a personal view. 2. Highlighting perspective. When discussing topics where perspectives matter, use this phrase to emphasize that you are providing your own perspective. 3. Comparing views. In discussions where multiple viewpoints are being shared, from my standpoint, helps differentiate your perspective from others. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use "from my standpoint." From my standpoint, remote work offers more flexibility and productivity than traditional office settings. From my standpoint, the book was more engaging than the movie adaptation. While I understand the importance of teamwork, from my standpoint, individual accountability shouldn't be overlooked. These examples show how the phrase can be used to introduce opinions on a wide range of topics, from work preferences to preferences in entertainment and values in a work environment. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the phrase, from my standpoint. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in expressing your perspectives and opinions in English. Remember, sharing your standpoint is all about sharing a part of who you are, so embrace it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.